Boys are ready. The drivers are ready. Ladies and gentlemen, let's count them down here and get them going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and off they go. Good looking trucks here ready to do some hitting. They ain't gonna look that good in a couple of minutes. Now folks, if you've never seen a demolition derby pickup truck before, it's kind of neat. Nice hit by truck number 5 on 11. Nice hit. Oh wow, looks like the axles have moved on truck number 11. Hopefully okay, truck number 5 got away. But it looks like the axles have definitely changed the angle. And some kind of another hit on truck number 11. He's trying to take that axle out from underneath him. Alright, truck number 86 trying to get started. Alright, truck number 86, truck number 5 going for a hit-to-hit. And truck number 86 was up on the tire, now he's down. Okay, as he plans his strategy on truck number 5. Now, one thing you'll notice, folks, with the pickup truck demolition derby action back end, usually go pretty good. I do like the idea of what truck number 5 did, to kind of pull his box in. That'll decrease the severity of the damage to the boxes. That's what makes pickup truck demolition derby so much fun. As you can see, truck number 86, his back end is starting to fold in. Alright, now I don't know if number 11 where he lost the drive shaft as well, but the action split, so the drive shaft was pulled out of the transmission or out of the universal. Finds his reverse. Oh, 86 got going. See if he can get out the tires. He did. And there they go. And a nice hit by truck number 5 on 86. But 86 is still running. And now they go front to back hit. Shake things up a little bit. They're locked together now. Now, truck number 86 did a smart thing there. Even though he did hit with his front end, he did fold that back end of number 5 down. If he hits him again, he'll be able to hit that box on those back tires, which will stop number 5 from moving. Could we repeat that announcement, please? muscle as he pushes 86 around. Still going. There's an Energizer Bunny battery in that one. Okay, the way I see number 5 go up over that tire on 86. Oh, he did break away. I thought he might be stuck. Maybe stuck together. Okay, another good hit. The Rad's starting to go on truck number 5. Inflict all his pain now because the Rad's going. Start overheating right shortly. This truck number 5 is trying to keep 86 against the tires, so he keeps hitting them, and maybe you can break an axle or something. All right, folks. Truck number 5 is your winner. A big round of applause. Good hit in action, don't you think, folks? Okay, at this time, I'd like to call all 3 prize winners to the table, please.